When do I need to replace my tires? Well, this is a tire tread gauge, and we're gonna measure this tire. This is a brand new tire, and we can see that is just at about 10-30 seconds, okay? What that means is 10-30 seconds of an inch. So about 1/3 of an inch deep is how big this tread depth is. Now, what we wanna look for is about 3:30 seconds is immediate replacement. 4:30 seconds, if you're going into summer and you get a little more life out of your tires, that's not a bad thing. If you're going into fall where you're gonna start hitting snow weather, then you wanna replace those tires because they're not gonna have good traction. The other thing that happens is the tires get low on tread, you're more apt to have blowouts and things like that because the sidewalls start to wear down, they get weaker as you use it more, and the tread's thinner, so you get a puncture. Instead of just barely maybe hurting the tire, it blows out, and that can cause safety issues. So if you got any questions, stop it in, we'll measure your tires and make sure if you need tires, we'll get you taken care of.
877-4277